Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to enable privacy and security settings to avoid account problems. First, open the Discord app, then go to your profile and open settings. After that, go ahead and go to privacy and security, and then or just who can add you as a friend, set to friends or if nobody, if preferred adjust sorry enable two-factor authentication under settings and security for extra protection. Privacy tip: only share personal info with trusted users and avoid clicking unknown links. Quick fix: if you notice suspicious activity, change your password immediately. Review connected apps under settings, authorize apps, and revoke unknown ones. Contact Discord support for account recovery, and that's it. Subscribe for more fast